How to link Wise to Binance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Wise account to Binance. So first, make sure you have signed in to your Binance account, either through the app or on their website. Once you are logged in, head to your profile. You will find payment methods in the menu. Tap on it to move forward. From here, select bank transfer under the payment options. If you don't see it right away, just scroll through the list. Now, enter your Wise account details, including your full name, account number, and any other required info. Make sure everything is accurate and complete to avoid any issues. Once all the details are filled in, click Submit. Your Wise account will now be linked to your Binance account. And that's it. You can now use your Wise account for deposits and withdrawals on Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.